Hello everyone, Jim from Ohio here, and we've got Jenny in the garden today too. So we're putting in the first of our crops into these raised beds that we picked up this year. Jenny's already planted out this bed. This is a 12-foot by 3-foot bed. It's 18 inches tall, but she's planted them with 3 different varieties of strawberries. And when we get over to her in a few minutes, we'll ask her which varieties these are, if she can remember. Now, we probably won't get any fruit this year from these, but for sure next year we should get a good crop. And she planted, I want to say there's, how many plants are in here, Jenny? She said a lot. There's probably 45 plants that are in here, and they're probably planted too close together, but we'd rather have too many and thin them out rather than not enough. So they are planted pretty close together, but this bed should be loaded by next year. And then we're still working on getting some of the cocoa coir into the beds. So I'm working on that today. And then Jenny's down here planting onions. So we got 2 different kinds of onions this year that we're putting in. And we always order our onions from the place in Texas, Dixondale Farm. And they sell different kinds of onions for any area of the country. But we got candy onions that she's planting on one side, and then red candy onions is what she's planting over on the other side.
There's 35 plants, and one is called Whopper from Gurneys.
Whopper.
And
so
the other one is Wendy's.
Whopper and Wendy's. Did we do 2 varieties or 3?
Just 2.
Oh, okay. And as Jenny mentioned, we ordered those from Gurneys seeds.
They came nice.
Yeah, they came nice, and we've actually had those for probably a good 3 or 4 weeks, and they've been in the refrigerator. And we've got a nice day. I think all chances of frost, knock on wood, are gone by now. It's late April, but we're probably going to be slowly planting these out over the next couple weeks. Initially, we'll put in the crops that are cold hardy and more tolerant in case we do have a change in the weather. Our tomatoes and peppers, we never put those in until after Mother's Day. So we'll give another update later on, but things are moving along here on our little homestead or farm. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.